The second thing we should do is to put the first box that we have, which is the first name plus the last name. So we are telling the program to join the data that is in the first name with the data that is in the last name. Then to put all of this data in a new box, which is called full name. So in the full name we have the first name and the last name. Then we output full name. That means show me on the screen what is the data in the full name box. As you can see on the screen, we have David Beckham. That is true, because in the first name we have David and in the last name we have Beckham. However, notice that we don't have a space between David and Beckham. They are shown as one word because there is no space. How can we create a space between two words to show that they are two words and not one? Look at what we need to do. First, we will put two quotations, then space, then two quotations. Also, we will put a plus sign before and after them. So, plus, two quotations, space, two quotations, plus. We will place this between the first name and the last name. Okay, now we will output full name in order to see the results, which is David Beckham. As you can see, now we have space. This happened by using the plus sign twice and the two quotations twice with a space between them. Okay, now what if we want to add something else to David Beckham? And it is a sentence that is not stored in a variable. Look at this code. It is the same code that we wrote, however we added after the last name a plus sign and we placed two quotations at the beginning and at the end. Inside the quotations we wrote the sentence that we want, which is a famous football player. Let's output full name in order to see the results on the screen. Look at the result. We have David, which is the first name. Then we have the space between David and Beckham, which we created through the plus, two quotations, space, two quotations, plus. Then we have the last name, which is Beckham. Finally, we added the sentence that we wanted. As you can see, we only put a plus sign before the sentence. After the sentence, there is no plus sign. Now you know how to concatenate two strings.